There's a new gold rush in Australia, or at least there's a rush on gold. But here's why you should be cautious. Right now, people are queuing for hours outside bullion stores across the country waiting to trade in their cash for gold. See, the price of gold is surging at the moment. It's up 60-ish% compared to the start of the year. And this is partially because gold has a bit of a reputation of being a safe, steady investment that will hold its value even when the stock market is turbulent. And you can kind of see why. I mean, like in an apocalypse situation, I would much prefer to have gold buried in the backyard than some digital portfolio of shares in companies that no longer exist. But even in non-dystopian times, gold's safe haven reputation means it tends to actually increase in value when the global economy gets nerve-wracking. And well, people are pretty nervous at the moment. So they invest in the safe option. The price of gold then rises, which means people want it more, which means the price rises more, which means people want it more, and bam, 4-hour-long lines. But here's the thing. As my colleague Luca Itamani reported, all this hype around the safety of gold might actually be eroding its safety. See, AMP's chief economist Shane Oliver has been warning for 2 weeks that these exploding queues might actually be a sign that gold is becoming speculative, that it's getting overvalued and thus is vulnerable to correction, which is just rich people talk for the price crashing back down when people start to sell. In fact, we might already be seeing signs of this. On Tuesday night, the price of gold plummeted 6%. That's the steepest fall since 2013. And yes, we don't yet know if this is the start of a crash or just a blip, but still, it's a good reminder that not even gold is immune to the whims of the market, and it should be treated like any other investment. Even though, yes, the ability to bury it and then leave a coded map for your grandkids in your will is objectively a lot cooler than just handing over some stock options.